Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk you through how I keep my hair moisturized. As we already know, moisture is key in retaining length. When your hair is dry, it tends to break a lot easier. So I've got a quick method, and to me it's pretty cute. A way that I keep my hair moisturized, I put it in 2 buns, and I basically leave it in those 2 buns for a few days unless I need to turn up and go somewhere. So yeah, I'm going to talk you through how I do that. So my hair's not particularly dry at the moment, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to show you anyway how I moisturize my hair. It does need a bit of love. It has been in some plaits for a few days. That's why it's looking stretched. I haven't blow dried or anything, but this is how I do it. So I started by sectioning my hair into 2. I'm going to spray my hair with a bit of water and then go in with my leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner I'm going to be using is Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. So you want to make sure that you're really working the product into your hair. I use my Denman brush to assist me with this to make sure I really get my ends covered. I then go in with smaller sections of my hair with my Denman brush just to make sure I don't miss any parts of my head whilst I'm moisturising it. Took me out a couple of times, knew exactly what to do to keep me satisfied. Right then there I knew just what I wanted from you. 2 years later, never been so happy, but I love you. And boy, you. After I'm sure that I've worked the product into all of my hair, I then brush my hair into a ponytail before I put it in a bun. So just before I braid my hair, I put a bit of oil on my ponytail. I'm going to put my hair into a braid because it helps to seal the moisture for longer. I remember when I met you, hair faded, fly shit and you kicks, ooh. You asked my name, I told you, you smiled at me on cloud 9. You called my phone, we got to talking. Our conversation got me giggling. You fell asleep, so I hung up and said I'd call you in the morning. Took me out a couple of times, knew exactly what to do to keep me satisfied. Right then there I knew just what I wanted from you. 2 years later, never been so happy, but I love you. And boy, you love me. And we're so happy. 'Cause boy, you care for me. Yeah, you care for me. Yeah. I remember. Said I remember. Catch me if I'm falling too hard. I say catch me if I'm falling too hard. My number one, my everything, my number one. My number one, my everything, my number one. The edge control I'm using is the best I've come across, but I got it from Ghana and I don't know if you can get it in the UK. If I find out that you can, I will let you guys know.
I remember when I met you, hair faded, fly shit, and you kicked. Ooh, you asked my name, I told you. Your smile left me on cloud nine. You called my phone, we got to talking. Our conversation got me giggling. You fell asleep, so I hung up and said I'll call you in the morning.
So this is the end result. My buns are moisturized, and I can leave my hair like this for about 3 days, and even when I take it down, my hair still feels moisturized. Yeah, so when my hair looks like this, 80% of the time it's because I'm trying to keep my hair moisturized. You can also do this if your hair is shorter or thicker. I worked out with a friend that if you twist instead of plait, you can get a good volume for your buns, and then bobby pin them in just to keep them moisturized and the ends tucked away. I'll try and get a picture or a video to put in at the end of this video so you can see what a different texture and a different length looks like. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you try it. Yeah, when you guys see me with my hair like this, it's because I'm moisturizing it and because I think it looks cute. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.